So here we go. Get food caught in my teeth, but that's fine. So here we go. So I could put all this weed, all this fake weed, right? We will put it all in on the grinder, right? It just gets stuck in the grinder. It doesn't break down. It's fake weed. It's hemp. It's paper, right? It's paper. We're going to put this into fucking... I'm going to write notes on this fucking shit. But I'm going to smoke it. It's going to get the same as the Afghani skunk bug from Whitlock. And my boys down Sully's. I mean, what are we doing? Because it won't last. This is like a fucking... I'm just making paste. Nigga. And I don't want it. I don't want it at all. I got two dogs back here. They want to get high. I'm like, I don't know what to tell you, Arian. It's sunny. Don't. I have more weed on the floor than they do on the table. I have like $200 worth of fucking hemp. Is this a joke? Everyone think I'm a fucking scumbag. I'm just gonna go along with it. We're not gonna put two in the backyard. Watch him shake around like fucking ping pong balls. Tibbetts is a fucking tennis star. I am the best tennis player Situate's ever seen. In fact. So now here we are. The place all taped up. We're gonna. No one's coming in here with any fucking paint guns until I get a shotgun. What? Want to see Tibbetts hit something? I'll tell you right now. Tibbetts. He goes Tibbetts! What'd you say about Tibbetts? Oh! What you doing? What'd you say about Tibbetts? Oh man, yeah. How you doing? Too fun. Yeah, here we go. Best show in the world, baby. Best show in the world. I won't do your mother again, punk. How you doing? You're soft, punk. Right, yeah, so, how you doing? Yeah, I'll go live in another minute. I want to watch that show. It was a little, I mean, I need to more like extend like the hip. Boom! Like when I banged your mom the other night, you were in the doorway. How old are you? 25 years old, you still at home watching me bang your mom? Fucking freak show. Best show in the world.